If you're a contractor or freelancer, you might think workers' comp is for someone else. Think again. Even without employees, you can and often should get workers' compensation. It's called voluntary coverage for sole proprietors and independent contractors. Why bother? Some jobs requires you to show proof of coverage before they'll sign a contract. It can help you land higher paying gigs because it shows you're professional and prepared. And most importantly, it covers medical bills and lost income if you get injured while working. Without it, one fall off a ladder or even repetitive strain injury could cost you weeks of income and thousands in medical costs. Some states make it optional, others require it for certain trades. So know your state's rule before bidding on your next job. Next Insurance makes getting workers' comp simple for contractors. Apply online in minutes and get proof of coverage instantly. Use the link in the description to get started today.